Managing partners across multiple stages, including prospects, referrals, accounts, and contacts, becomes complex without a unified system. When data is fragmented, onboarding slows down, and partner relationships become harder to grow. ZINFI brings together every stage of the partner lifecycle, from referral intake to prospect nurturing to account creation and ongoing management, all within a single partner profile management module. New partners can enter your ecosystem through referral or registration flows, ensuring high-quality leads are captured cleanly from the start. Partner prospects store key business and contact information, helping teams qualify and prepare for conversion. Once qualified, prospects can be seamlessly converted into partner contacts, avoiding duplicate data entry and ensuring clean partner records. Partner contacts track every person working with your organization, including their roles, preferences, communication history, tasks, and help desk interactions. Partner accounts consolidate all company-level information, including business attributes, competencies, industries, capabilities, agreements, and performance. ZINFI supports parent-child or master account hierarchies, enabling multi-branch partners and distributors to be managed accurately. Admins can define partner types, skill categories, and allocate badges based on capabilities, revenue performance, certifications, or specialization achievements. Every account includes partnership history, agreements, contacts, licensing, deal registrations, tasks, and notes, giving the channel team a complete 360-degree operational view. A built-in scorecard tracks partner engagement, training, certifications, marketing participation, and sales activity. ZINFI Partner Profile Management unifies referrals, prospects, contacts, accounts, hierarchies, types, and onboarding, giving you a complete and accurate system for growing your partner ecosystem.